Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for these really cool team transports. So there were three actually in this mix. Ferrari, and then this Toyota, and then this Lycan Sport. But I was interested in these two only. So I got these two, and trust me guys, this is very expensive. They both are actually. This one is actually the real expense. This was a fine price. I'm happy I got the good deal. Now let's open this up. So I'm going to open it from here only. I'll try to open with the minimum damage on the card. And let's see how it goes. It goes good. Yeah, it goes good. So this is your card, very much intact. Put this on the side, and there is your team transport. Let's first have a look on this truck, the Fleet Street. The base is good. We have threads over here. Yeah, it goes like this, and it came out somehow. Don't worry, it will fix. Yeah, it will fix. So I remember the Porsche one. I think it goes down all the way, but this one just slides. And yeah, it slides and goes like this. And it again came out. Okay. So let's not pull it a lot and just keep it up to here and there. Yeah, that looks cool. Still looks cool. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. But before that, have a look on this. The base is cool. The base is so cool for this Toyota. This is the first Toyota AE 86 I got in my collection. And I never thought it's going to be this cool. Rolls well. It sits great. It looks amazing on this. Now let's put this on the turntable, right? Both one by one. I'll show you guys. Give me a moment. So this Fleet Street looks like it's a fantasy truck, of course, because I do not see it on like anywhere. They have created it well, very nicely. The color scheme's good, red and black, simple yet best. All the details are there on the front, and they have put these extra tires on this, even though it is part of the plastic. It still look cool, right? The wheels look good also, so it's a nice one. And now let's have a look on the AE 86. So the full color scheme of this car and the truck is the same, and this is such a cool classic casting from Toyota. As I said, this is the first one I'm going to add in my collection. It looks so well to add something first time. It has detailings on the side strips, on the windows, on the windshield. We have headlights, indicators. We have Toyota logo on the front, and on the back we have the name of the car, and on the number plate we have Toyota, and there's actually exhaust coming out. These 6-spoke wheels look cool. These are very small, but still looks great on this car because it goes well. The windshield and all the windows are black. You cannot see through, but I'm sure there is an interior in it. So it's a nice one. Now let's move to the hyped one. So now let's park it here and let's move to the main focus of this video, the Ferrari 250 GTO. and the Fiat Transporter. The card art is amazing actually, and the truck itself as well. I know many people are going to keep this thing carded because they might resell it, but not me. If I buy something, I open it, and when I open it, I keep it in my collection. Look at that. Look at this. It's with the car on the side. This team transport truck itself is a center of attraction. This is the most coolest truck I ever saw that Hot Wheels made. This is the coolest transport truck, and I think this is the heaviest as well. And look at that function. It just slides in and slides back down. Look at that. This is so good, right? And on the base, so this time this is not riveted actually. It is screwed here. Wow. Isn't this cool? And now let me show you guys the car. And actually, before I show you the car, let's do one thing. Let me show you the Ferraris I have so far. There are many that have been released previously, but like in last few weeks, in every case we have seen there is a basic Ferrari, but the few Ferraris that I have received so far, one of them is this Stradale 90. We have already, those who have subscribed to my channel have already seen the unboxing of this beauty. There is another Stradale SF90. It was a 5-pack one. I really like how they created this roof. Let's put this here on the side. Put this here on this side. The next I have is this 365 GTO. Cool, right? These signature red are always cool. Next, I have this F40 in red, of course. And the last, but not the least, we all know this, right? This is the most coolest Ferrari, the first Ferrari that came out, and it was the Ferrari which has been made in the chase version as well. Let's put this here. You know what? See, it doesn't fit. It does not fit on this. It's a big one. Let's see if it fits down there. No, it does not. It does not fit. It doesn't go inside, and doesn't go well here as well. This is pretty wide actually. Yeah, pretty wide. So let's put this here instead. And now I'm going to show you the Ferrari 250. Look at this beauty. The color scheme is a little bit darker than the normal or on these particular ones, but this is one of the coolest because I love how they created this, and I love the wheels. They go so well on this classic Ferrari. They look incredible. Here's your base. We have threaded wheels and everything. Let's put this on the turntable, both of these, and I'll show you one by one. This is just the coolest thing, but before that, let's put this here on the top. Have a look on the turntable. Okay, so this is the coolest truck I ever saw in a team transport. Usually the car is cool and the truck is not. In this case they both are, but trust me, as per my point of view, the truck is way cooler than the car in this case. And in the real one, they only exist, I think, one or two trucks exist in the real world. So quite rare to see something like this. And it is very heavy. It is all metal. Most of the part is metal. And you can see how cool detailed it is. On the front you can see all the details of the Ferrari logo and number plate. On side also it has Ferrari automobile, Ferrari logo, and all the everything is like grayish. They made outlines with the gray to look like metal, which is very cool. These type of wheels I never saw before. This is the first time we are seeing these wheels actually, and they are threaded, and it is so cool. This is like, we have seen many, right? And most of the team transport trucks have the capacity of holding two cars, but this is the only one I think so far that holds three. Man, I'm like crazy about this now. This is crazy thing to have. You see those details on the back, and this is so cool. This is your GTO 250. Damn, what a great car, what a great casting it is. And Hot Wheels nailed it. The profile, the stances, the wheels, the color, the livery, everything I'm digging. On the front, the number 2, on the sides, on the back, we have the number plate, we have exhaust, tail lights, everything. On the windshields, on the mirrors, we have the silver trim, and on the front we have the horse logo of Ferrari, because it's official product. But this is the coolest thing I saw that Hot Wheels have made. The very first car, premium, that came out, it was, I think, Ferrari 499p. It was also very cool. And now this, there is nothing in between. Look at those 4 exhausts they created. And I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So that was your unboxing for today. Do let me know, out of these, which Ferrari you have so far, and which one is your favorite. Mine is all of them actually. It is so hard to tell which one is favorite, which one is not. So I was putting this F40 in this. It is also not going inside because it is wide on the back. It is very wide on the back. So let's try putting this, maybe. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, it goes well. So this is your team transport. Looks cool, right? Thank you so much guys for watching, and do let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or anything. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one, lads. Bye.